Ever wondered what keeps your body running smoothly and efficiently like a well-oiled machine? Let's delve into one of the unsung heroes of our bodily functions, NAD, or Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide. This vital coenzyme is found in every living cell in our bodies and is a key player in many metabolic processes that keep us going. Imagine NAD as the powerhouse of life, the cog that keeps the wheels of our bodies turning. Its most crucial role is perhaps in energy production. Now, you might be thinking energy production, that sounds like a job for food. And you'd be right, but it's NAD that facilitates the transformation of those nutrients into usable energy. In the grand theater of our cells, NAD takes on the role of an electron courier. It's constantly bustling about, carrying electrons back and forth in the metabolic reactions that whip up ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. ATP is the primary energy currency of our cells. It's the fuel that powers our cellular processes. This intricate dance of electrons occurs deep within the mitochondria, the cellular power plants, through a process known as cellular respiration. This involves several stages including glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain. NAD is there every step of the way, ensuring that nutrients are efficiently converted into ATP. But this isn't a one-man show. NAD relies on a cast of other molecules, enzymes, and coenzymes to make this energy production process possible. Yet without NAD, this vital process would grind to a halt. It's like trying to run a car without fuel. So in a nutshell, NAD is a crucial player in our body's energy production process. It's the powerhouse that keeps our biological machinery humming along, day in, day out. It's the unsung hero, quietly working behind the scenes to keep us going. So next time you're powering through a workout or simply going about your day, spare a thought for the tiny coenzyme that's making it all possible. But that's not all. NAD also plays a key role in protecting our DNA. Picture this: your DNA is like a blueprint, a master plan, that dictates the form and function of each and every one of your cells. It's the very essence of you. But every day, it's under attack. Environmental factors like ultraviolet light, radiation, or chemical exposure can cause damage to this precious blueprint. But fear not, for NAD, our unsung hero, steps in to defend and repair. NAD is the key to activating a group of enzymes known as PARPs, or poly-ADP ribose polymerases if you want the full mouthful. These enzymes have a vital task. They facilitate DNA repair. When damage occurs to our DNA, PARPs swing into action. Using NAD, they attach molecules called ADP ribose to the proteins that are part of the DNA repair machinery. It's like a mechanic fixing a car, replacing the damaged parts to get the engine running smoothly again. This process, though it might sound complex, is fundamental to maintaining genomic stability. It ensures that our DNA, our cellular blueprint, remains accurate and intact. Without it, mutations could occur. These are not the kind of mutations that give you superpowers, unfortunately. Instead, they could lead to diseases, including the one we all fear: cancer. NAD, in facilitating DNA repair, acts as a guardian of our DNA. It helps to prevent these harmful mutations from occurring, preserving the integrity of our cells and our health. It's a role that may not be as flashy as energy production, but it is every bit as important. So, while you might not see NAD in the spotlight, remember the crucial work it's doing behind the scenes. It's not just powering your cells, it's protecting them too. As we continue to uncover the importance of NAD in our bodies, we gain a deeper appreciation for this remarkable molecule. Therefore, NAD is not just an energy producer but also a guardian of our DNA, preventing harmful mutations. Interestingly, NAD may also hold the key to aging and disease prevention. As we journey through life, our NAD levels naturally take a downward turn. This is not just a number on a chart. This decrease is closely tied to the deterioration of our cellular functions and the onset of age-related diseases. Imagine a bustling city slowly losing its power supply. Lights start to flicker, machinery slows down, and the overall efficiency drops. That's essentially what happens in our bodies when NAD levels decline. The impact of this decline is far-reaching. It hampers energy metabolism, leading to decreased vitality and increased fatigue. It cranks up oxidative stress, which is like a rusting process at a cellular level, potentially causing damage to your cells. Moreover, it reduces the capacity for DNA repair and cellular regulation, increasing the likelihood of genetic instability and mutations. So what does this mean for us? Well, it could mean a higher risk of chronic diseases, a lower quality of life, and potentially a shorter lifespan. But it's not all doom and gloom. Thanks to the tireless efforts of scientists around the world, we're beginning to understand how we might be able to turn the tide. Research is now focusing on supplementing with NAD precursors, like nicotinamide riboside or nicotinamide mononucleotide. These precursors are like the building blocks of NAD. The idea is that by supplementing with these precursors, we might be able to boost our NAD levels, even as we age. The potential benefits are exciting. This could mean improved metabolic health, better energy levels, and enhanced longevity. It could mean a lower risk of chronic diseases and a healthier aging process. In other words, it could mean a higher quality of life for a longer period of time. So, could NAD be our secret to a long and healthy life? The research is certainly promising. It's like we're standing at the mouth of a fountain of youth, with the potential to dive in and swim against the current of aging. But as with any scientific endeavor, only time and continued research will tell how deep this fountain goes and how refreshing its waters truly are. In conclusion, NAD is more than just a coenzyme. It's the powerhouse of life, playing a pivotal role in converting the food we eat into the energy our cells need to function. It's the guardian of our DNA, stepping up to the plate when damage occurs, working tirelessly to repair and maintain the stability of our genetic code. And it's also been dubbed the fountain of youth, given its critical role in aging and disease. As we get older, NAD levels naturally decline, and this drop can contribute to a myriad of age-related diseases. But there's hope on the horizon. Researchers are actively exploring NAD precursors as a way to boost these levels back up, potentially improving our metabolic health, extending our lifespan, and reducing the risk of chronic disease. So the next time you ponder over what makes your body tick, remember the star of the show, NAD.